day, Genoa. Hacker here. I am Techie Guru and Genius at Large here at Agency D3. That's right, I said genius. We have had a fantastic week with Agency D3 VVS. These agents are some of the best to ever come through our training. With the help of our wonderful field agents, our new recruits have learned to discover, decide, and defend their faith. Now, here's what you need to know around Genoa. We are celebrating our annual Great American Picnic this weekend. Join us after our second service this Sunday. Join us for an amazing cookout and fun games and festivities. Our troop ministry will be packaging our summer boxes on July 12th. We are sending our troops Hawaiian-themed boxes and could use your help. Take a look on the back of your bulletin and you will find a list of items that we are in need of. You can drop donated items off at the troop ministry table in the foyer, and thank you for supporting our troops. Our family fun run will be on Saturday, July 26th at McNamara Park. You can walk or run with your family. Details are available online. Ready to hit the green? Genoa will be hosting a golf scramble on Saturday, July the 12th. Check your bulletin or contact Pastor Scott Leewald for more information. And that's what you need to know. Now what I need to know is, where is that good-looking kids pastor, Pastor Matt Clark? Had my eye on him all week.